a very simple way of clearing any energy, especially energy where you felt frustrated, angry, peed off with the world. And I call this the Macro Cosmic Purge. So this one is, we're standing feet parallel. We bring the hands up in front of the head. We draw them down the sides of the head. We sink as we do, nice and soft in the knees. Then we bring the hands down to the side. You imagine you're putting guns in your holster and allow the body to sink, and you're going to sink and allow the hands to rise. And it's a smooth movement, okay? Lifting, sinking, send. And you breathe out. So it's all one smooth movement that expels hatred, anger, frustration. It's like a big fuck off to the stuff that's been bothering you. I do this a lot in a style called shamanic Qigong. You're cleaning down the side, coming down the side of the foot, and you're using your fingers to flick away the negativity. Send it to the trees. Try not to send it to anything metal. Send it to something organic. The earth likes negative energy. That's what it does. It takes the shit, it decomposes it, and recycles it. I'm Anthony Monti, Chi Life Academy. Try 30 rounds of that every day.